Using Afterpay on Best Buy is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. To start the process, simply follow the instructions displayed on your screen. Select Afterpay at checkout as your payment method. If you already have an Afterpay account, log in and complete your checkout. Then, download the Afterpay app. After that, instantly create your account. If you are new to Afterpay, you can sign up while you check out with feature by following the prompts. No long forms and you will know you have been approved within seconds. Next, tap the Card tab and follow the prompts to set up the Afterpay card and add it to your digital wallet. Orders ship as soon as they would with any other form of payment, as quickly as you choose. Enjoy your purchase straight away and pay over 4 bi-weekly installments. Head to a retailer accepting Afterpay and activate the Afterpay card in the app and pay using Apple Pay or Google Pay.